pages 37 and 38, Unit 7, subtract multi-digit numbers. Let's take a look at number 1. So you always want to rewrite the problem so it looks like this. So if you're taking a test like the IR, use a piece of scratch paper. Use as much space. If you need to use half the page, use half the page. Okay, we always start on the right side here in the ones column. So if you put 5 fingers up and put 4 down, you're left with 1. Or think of it as 5 units. You remove 4 of them, you're left with 1. Here we would have 7 strips. We remove 3 strips. Okay, the answer is 4. Now if you check, if you take 4, 5, 6, 7 and add it back, you should get 7. Now we go to the hundreds column. These are like mats. It's saying we have 1 mat here, and it's telling us to remove 9 mats. We can't do that. Yes, if you're thinking go to the thousands, cross it off. You're going to make this a 2. Okay, and this becomes like 11 mats. So that's a 1 and a 1. That's 11. So if you put 9 in your head, raise fingers as you do this. What comes after 9? 10, 11. So you're left with 2 mats. Now, if, we also have to take this 2, don't forget, and bring it back down. So 2 minus or take away nothing is left with 2. Now, if you want to know if you did this correctly, you should be able to take these 2 numbers, add them back, and get this top number here. Click pause, try number 2 on your own. Welcome back. Did you start in the ones? Put up 6 fingers, put 6 fingers down, you're left with nothing. If you put up 5 fingers, okay, get rid of 4, you're left with 1. Now, whenever the top number is less than the bottom number, you can't do it. Now you go to the thousands. There's nothing here to regroup, so you have to go to the 10,000s. You're going to cross this off, make it a 1. Then you're going to make this a 10. Now you have something. So now you cross it off, make this a 9, and then you can put that 1 here. So it's 16 minus 7. So imagine a number line, and if you're at 16, you will go down 6 and 1 more, you're at 9. To double check, take 9 and 7, add it back together, and you should get 16. 9 minus 6, you should have come up with 3. Don't forget to bring that 1 down, because again, if you take these 2 numbers, add them back, you should get the number that you started with. Okay, click pause, try 3 and 4 on your own. Okay, welcome back. One thing I would always suggest is rewrite them. Okay, you could do it on scratch paper, make it big, put it in your own printing so you have room to work and regroup. Also, don't forget to circle the sign. This is subtraction. So you have 3, take away 2, you can do that, you get 1. You have 2, it's greater than 1, you could do it, 2 minus 1 is 1. Now, 8, can't do it because 8 is less than 9. Did you cross off the 7, make it a 6, and then put the little 1 there. Now you can do it. 18 minus 9 is 9. Because again, if you add 9 and 9 back, you get 18. Now, 6 minus nothing is 6. Don't forget to bring that back down. Because again, if you add these 2 numbers back, you should get this number here. Click pause, try the next one. 4,000. 48. Minus 1,205. If you haven't done this, do it on your own. Click pause. Welcome back. We know that 8 is greater than the 5, so we could do it. Put 5 in your head, raise your fingers. 6, 7, 8, count up 3. You know it's correct if you take the 5 and 3 and you add it to get 8. 4 minus nothing, minus 0, is 4. Now we have a 0 here. Can't do it. Cross off the 4, make it a 3, and this becomes 10. 10 minus 2 is 8. To double check to see if it's correct, you should take 8 and 2, and you should get 10. 3 minus 1, okay, you should get 2. Okay? Okay, click pause. See if you could do the next 2 on your own. Welcome back. Did you take 5,249 minus 1,652? Hopefully you rewrote it. Hopefully you circled the sign. Especially on the IAR test, you don't want to make a careless mistake like that. You want to put a lot of attention into each problem. 1,652. Okay, 9 minus 2 is 7. Again, if you take 7 and 2 and you add it up, you get 9. 4 minus 5, can't do it. Cross the 2 off, make it a 1, and now this 4 becomes 14. It's actually 14 strips. 14 minus 5, did you get 9? If you did, you're correct. If you didn't, think about it. 9 and 5 gets you 14. Notice 1 is less than 6. I can't do it. Go to the thousands place, put a 4, and then this is going to become an 11. It's really 11 mats. 11 minus 6 should be 5. Double check every step. 5 and 6 is 11. 4 minus 1 is 3. Double check. 3 and 1 is 4. Especially on an IAR test, double check your sign, add them back together. Click pause. Try the next one on your own. Welcome back. 2,089 minus 1,309. So we start in the ones column where the units go. 9 minus 9. Put up 9 fingers, get rid of 9. It should be 0. Because again, if you add 9 and 0, you get 9. 8 fingers up, minus 0, you get 8. This is a 0 here. Can't do it. Cross the 2 off, make it a 1. Then this is 10 mats. 10 minus 3 leaves you with 7 mats. 1 minus 1 is 0. So if you add 1,309 and 780, you should get 2,089. Okay? So click pause. Try to do number 7 on your own. And I'm just going to read you the answers for the next few. And if you didn't get them correct, please make sure to go check in with your teacher. Okay, so we are on Unit 7, page 37. Let's go to number 7. Okay. Actually, my mistake. I think this is actually page number 38 we're on. So on page 38, number 7. Yes, number 7, the answer should be 1,685. Put a plus if you have it correct. Click pause if you didn't do number 8. Welcome back. Did you get 14,957? If you did, put a plus. Click pause. Try number 9. Welcome back. Did you get 17,003? That's 17,003. Again, if you didn't, see a teacher. Number 10, the answer is 16,170. If you got it correct, pat yourself on the back, give a thumbs up. Number 11, the answer is 31,187. If you got it correct, give yourself a pat on the back. If you've done everything so far, go up to your teacher, and your teacher will give you 5 Tiger tickets. Number 12, the answer is 40,610. That's 40,610. Again, if you got that one correct, give yourself a pat on the back.